In today's video, I try not to choke to death. I fly over a mountain temple. And I meet some new friends. Today I set off with the intention of going round the Mae Wang loop. This is about a 150 kilometre round trip around the countryside north of Doi Inthanon. However, as I got into the more remote areas, the internet disappeared and obviously Google Maps was of no use whatsoever. And to make matters worse, there were no signs whatsoever in English. Even the village names didn't have the English equivalent underneath. So I ended up driving completely blind. I eventually found out that I'd gone miles past where I should have turned off and in effect had to abandon the trip. So I turned around and came back the way I'd come in the first place. Having said that, I did manage to find some excellent roads, some wonderful views, and a temple perched high up on a mountain, which I managed to visit up a dirt track and take some drone footage up there as well. So I hope we've got something to make an enjoyable video for you. Not really doing temples today. I'm actually doing a loop from Chiangmai that I haven't done before, the Mae Wang loop. But as I was coming up the hill, I saw this temple right at the top of it and I thought, I've got to go and have a look. Some amazing views from here. It looks pretty deserted. a bit of a hairy road getting up here as well. There's the odd bit that's tarmacked and there's a lot of it that isn't. Anyone who knows me knows I'm not that keen on off-road. Okay, as it's so quiet here, I think I'll stick the drone up. Okay, so how about that for a view? It's promised views by people who've been here before and they weren't lying. The only downer is I haven't got a clue where I am at the moment because I've got no internet, therefore no Google Maps. and I think the people who live around here are all Karen Hill tribe people. I just came across a sign, another one that says scenic area. It's the first sign I've seen in English for about 2 hours. And once again, they weren't lying. It's really windy up here, so sorry if it's bad on the camera. For much of the last hour, a lot of the land I've been passing has been burnt or is burning, and it looks pretty gruesome actually, a lot worse than that. And you can probably see the smoke hanging over the valley there. I actually came up here to get away from the smog. That will go down as an epic fail. I hope he stops when he gets to the end.